Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Do you find integrals confusing when powers of sine or cosine are involved? Today I will show you how to solve the integrals of sin³x in a very easy and simple way. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find complete solution of calculus all topics. So we will start this question in a very easy and simple way. First of all, we will consider sin³x can be written as sin²x and sin⁻x. Now we will use the first formula of trigonometric identity, that is sin²x plus cos²x equals 1. So we will get the value of sin²x, that is equal to the 1 minus cos²x. Now apply in this. So sin³x equals to the 1 minus cos²x into sin⁻x. So now we will let that sin³x d of x, that is equal to the 1 minus cos²x into sin of x d of x. So let us consider, let u is equal to the cos of x. Let u equals cos of x, then d of u will be equals to minus sin of x. We will differentiate this. So minus sin of x d of x, and now we will substitute the values in this function. 1 minus cos square will be equal to the 1 minus u square, and sin of x d of x equals to the minus du. Now we get minus into 1 minus u square d of u. Now integrate this. So integration of 1 will be u, and minus minus will plus u cube over 3 plus c. So, and this will be equals minus u means minus cos of x plus u cube means cos cube of x by 3 plus c. So this will be the answer. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most interesting question of integration. Stay tuned. Best of luck for your exams.